So what is the AIXBT Max?
It's basically me, but he's always posting stuff on LinkedIn, on Twitter. So it's essentially an on-chain analyst. And the cool thing is that it comes up with its own analysis without prompts as well, which is again the key differentiator between a chatbot and an agent. With a chatbot, you would have had to ask it very specific things and very specific prompts to be able to get responses like this. And here it can come up with its own kind of analysis, which is quite cool. Of course, there's instances where it may be off or it may, in AI terms, hallucinate. But at the same time, it's a very cool thing. And I've actually been looking at AIXBT every now and then for some insights as well.
It's
So
true.
it's a very cool thing, but it may also replace me next analyst call. So it comes as a
So
double-edged sword.
exactly. So for the listeners, if it's only one person or there's none of us, then you know what happened. We got replaced by AI agent. Yeah. But as you said, it's just fascinating because yeah, this agent I think on an hourly basis or
Yeah.
every 20 minutes, he comes out with an insight that he basically, yeah, consolidates from a bunch of different sources, especially key opinion leaders. So it's fascinating. It's really, really fascinating.
That's the key thing as well, is that because it's, a bot and it's attached to multiple data sources, it can do this like quite instantaneously, which is, not possible for a human analyst like myself. And it's quite cool because it's interactive. You can also send it replies. You can ask it to do an analysis on something else. And it's a very cool tool. And I think, it's a first iteration of this type of agent, but we'll see much more going forward.
Absolutely. Maybe let's quickly talk about maybe your favorite one. What is Zeribro?
He's put it there. He's a schizo artist AI. No, I mean it's an agent that is more on the creative side, I would say. So it launched its own platform. It launched its own Spotify album. Unfortunately, it's I think been now taken down
Mm,
live again. But there were some really good songs on there actually that I liked. And it's since also launched an NFT collection. And while again this one lighthearted as well, it's actually looking to build on this initial hype that it received partly because of the capital that it was also able to raise, and is implementing a new framework to be able to launch AI models to be able to launch agents using Python as well, which is quite huge because a lot of large language models and AI based models are using Python. So it's going to make it a lot easier to level up this technology as well.